Hey, John Durham, realtor slash broker with the Durham Executive Group and Remax Results. I work with my wife, Becky, who's also a licensed realtor in Wisconsin and Minnesota. Together, we have approximately 40 years of real estate experience. In fact, we live and work right here in Hudson, Wisconsin, making us your Hudson, Wisconsin real estate experts. This video, I'm going to basically be talking about what's going on in the Hudson, Wisconsin real estate market because things are changing. We're right in the middle of what we call a housing market correction, which I've been talking about for the last, say, 4 or 5 months. And it's all being driven by what's going on in the U.S. economy, as well as the Fed's raising interest rates to try to offset and combat interest rates. So the end result is demand for home purchasing is softening and will continue to slow throughout the rest of this year into 2023. So with fewer buyers, what we're going to start seeing is we're going to see more inventory and homes sitting on the market longer, which in turn is going to help home appreciation start decreasing, as well as probably flatlining as we go into the winter. Okay, so how do these changes affect home sellers and buyers? It means better home affordability for buyers. We're going to see the home appreciation dropping. We're going to start seeing homes sitting on the market longer. We're going to see fewer multiple offers, which drive up prices. We're probably not going to see appraisal gap clauses written into offers. We're going to see way more home inspections taking place, which personally I think is a really good thing. I absolutely hated seeing people writing offers with no home inspections. And we're going to probably start seeing more buyers taking advantage of adjustable rate mortgages to get their interest rates down. Okay, so as the housing market corrects, we may end up close to what we call a balanced housing market, maybe in 2023, which basically would mean is that neither seller or buyer is going to have a significant advantage over the other during negotiations, like we've seen sellers have for the last, say, 2 years. So let's talk specifically about the Hudson, Wisconsin housing market. And we're going to be looking at June of this year compared to June of 2021. And what I've seen is we're still seeing quite a bit of appreciation, the average sale price appreciation and median sale price appreciation, which is pretty interesting. And in addition, what's really interesting to me is that Hudson, Wisconsin has actually passed up Woodbury, Minnesota for home average sale prices, and median sale prices is actually ticked up a little bit over Woodbury, Minnesota. That's unbelievable. You know, say 2 years ago, it wasn't even close, even a year ago. So now what I'm seeing is new listings is down 25.5%. Okay, we're also seeing that almost 50% reduction in closed sales, which is actually 48.8% down, significant. Okay, days in the market is up over 23%. So now we're looking at 37 days. And I'm expecting we're going to probably start seeing that continue to tick up as we go through the rest of this year. The month supply of inventory has gone up over about 37.5%. So now we're looking at 2.2 months supply, still low, but up quite a bit from what it had been. Excuse me. But we're also seeing that the number of showings per listing has been decreasing for the last consecutive 4 months. It's a big sign right there. And we're still not even into fall yet. Okay, so changes are afoot in Hudson, Wisconsin. And got to keep in mind that the homes that closed in June of this year, which is the most current data, they actually were under contract back in April and May. Okay, so big changes are going to happen from April, May to now, but they won't be showing up to July and August housing market data. Okay, so I encourage you to reach out to Becky and myself at 651-231-2191. Let's discuss your real estate goals, your timeframes. We'll talk to you about our services and how we can assist you achieve your goals. I appreciate you watching this video and make it a great day. Thank you.